Today's recipe is a creamy garlic butter Tuscan salmon that is restaurant quality, easy to make, yet it is super delicious. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen. A restaurant quality meal is so super simple to make, and all you need is how to do it. And today I am going to show you exactly what it takes to put together this creamy garlic butter Tuscan salmon in a matter of about 20 to 30 minutes. And all you need are the ingredients on the list right there. So gather everything up, come in close, and let's make a restaurant quality meal together. Coming up next. Okay, before we go over to the stove, we just need to prep our salmon. So to each piece, I am going to add a little bit of avocado oil. And this is just going to help our seasoning stick to the salmon. Next, we are going to sprinkle each side with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Flip the salmon and do exactly the same thing to the reverse side. Now that this is done, let's bring the salmon along with the remaining ingredients over to the stove top and let's cook. All right, everyone, to our heated skillet, we are going to add some avocado oil and spread it around. And then we are going to add in our salmon. And I opted to use skinless salmon. And if you want to keep the skin on, then start with searing the salmon with the skin facing down. Okay, time to flip. We have a nice sear. All right, and then we are going to cook it on this side for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. All right, guys, this fish looks awesome. So let's move this aside to a separate dish, and then we are going to move on to putting together our creamy sauce. To our skillet, we are going to add some butter, minced garlic, our cherry tomatoes, okay, it has been about 2 minutes, and this garlic and these tomatoes are so fragrant. And as you can see, these tomatoes are nice and tender. So at this point, let's go ahead and add in our heavy whipping cream. And I just tasted this for some salt. Now keep in mind, we're going to be adding some Parmesan cheese in this, which is salty, so be mindful of that when you do add in the salt. And some pepper. Give this a mix. And let this simmer for a couple minutes just so all of these flavors can come together. All right, everyone, this sauce looks amazing. It has thickened up some. And it is now ready to take in this Parmesan cheese, our spinach, about 2 healthy handfuls. And we are going to allow this spinach to wilt. And when it does, then we are going to add our salmon back in. Okay, everyone, what we need to do is to add our salmon back in. And we are just going to allow this to heat through. And when it does, this will be ready to serve. Okay, everyone, while that salmon continues to heat through, let me just share with you what I have opted to pair my meal with. Now, of course, you can use cauli rice, you can use regular rice if carbs are not a concern for you, or you can use one of my new finds, which is this Kaizen Rice, which is a gluten-free, high-protein, low-carb plant plant-based rice. You guys, it took all of 5 minutes to put this together. Boil some water, put this in, add some salt to it, stir it, and within a few minutes, you have got yourself a delicious plant-based, high-protein, low-carb alternative to rice. I purchased this from Thrive Market. I will leave it in my description. And yes, you guys, it is absolutely delicious. All right, everyone, it is time to eat. Lord, I thank you. This looks like a masterpiece, you guys. We're real chefs here. Oh my gosh. This salmon is so tender and flaky. Oh my gosh. You guys, you can bring the restaurant quality right into your own kitchen. It is just that simple. Give this a try. And when you do, please do leave in the comments that you did and let everybody know just how spectacular this meal is. And I'm thinking ahead. I am thinking that this will be the perfect meal to serve my husband for Valentine's Day if we opt to stay home, because this thing right here is absolutely phenomenal, you guys. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on my channel, where we continue to make it low carb. Thanks, you guys, and I'll see you real soon. And enjoy.